All right, forgot to take video of the ditches before we put pipe in it, but that's okay. We're dealing with different elevations. Had to drop down here because the pool's out of the ground back here. I'm a little hobbled up with knee issues this morning. Anyway, so we got all tied in on the back of the pool, and as you can see, the pool's out of the ground. We'll be raising the dirt up a little bit, but not a whole lot. So, yeah, this was a challenging dig, very close to the back porch. Here we go. We have our returns looped all the way around for equal pressure. And then we're going to do the equipment pad today. We've got all our quick connect unions lubed, O-rings lubed, everything ready to go. Now we just got to do the do over here. Shouldn't take too long. And we'll have plumbing done, then we'll be pressuring up.